To access the Google Workspace admin console, follow these steps. Go to the admin console login page. Open a browser and go to admin.google.com. Sign in with admin credentials. Enter the email address associated with your Google Workspace admin account. This is usually an account created when your organization signs up for Google Workspace. Click Next. Enter your password and click Sign In. Admin Console Dashboard. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the Google Workspace Admin Console dashboard. The console gives you access to various tools for managing users, services, billing, security settings, and more. Navigate through admin tools. Use the left-hand menu or search bar to access different sections like Users, Manage User Accounts and Permissions, Apps, configure and manage apps like Gmail, Drive and Calendar, Security, manage security settings and device access, Reports, view usage and activity reports, Sign Out. When done, click on your profile icon in the top right corner and choose Sign Out.